In this video, I want to explain how to print something to scale in model space, which is the way a lot of people prefer to do. In model space, everything's one-to-one drawing. Like if you zoom in here, these are really 32 inches in drawing units, and they're really 34.5 inches tall, and you've got everything makes sense. Everything's scalable. I mean, everything is just the same size based on what is drawn. Okay, the issue is how do you get this print to scale? Well, I have a little tile block dropped in here. If you zoom in here, you can see it's pretty cool. It's got my approvals, my dates, my size, all that stuff already done. And this is also drawn one-to-one drawing units. So this, if I measure this, this is about 10.5 inches by 8 inches, and I'm allowing a 1/2 inch for my print border around the paper. So when I scale this and put a drawing inside this window here, it'll be to scale. So let's zoom back out here. Okay, so an easy way to do that, since I got my tile block already sitting here, I'm just going to take my typing copy on my command line. I'm just going to draw a little window around that and grab this tile block. I'm just going to move it up here out of the way. Okay. Because model space is infinite, I can go anywhere I want to go. But let's show you how to scale this. Okay, so if I want this to be a 1/2 inch scale, it would be 12 divided by 0.5, which would give me a 1/2 inch scale. So to scale this, all I need to do is either choose the scale command on my menu, or I can just type in scale on my command line. I'm going to choose what I want to scale and a scale base point. Okay, so if I put in 24, that's going to be, I'll zoom back out here. That's going to be a 1/2 inch scale. So now I can start fitting stuff up here. When I print it and I choose a window to print, I'll choose this window and it'll print it to scale there. For example, if I just go, let's just say copy. I can create drawings any way I want to create them. I go copy and I take that. I can just grab this, come up here and stick that into my drawing. And I didn't need that little this. I'm just going to select that and delete that because I want a little bitty tile block inside my big tile block. And then also, since it's 1/2 inch scale, I've got more space left over here, so this is kind of the way it works. I can come back down here and just say copy again. And I'm just going to zoom in here so I can see. And I'm just going to copy that, grab that, and stick this into the drawing as well. So when I print that, this is all going to print a 1/2 inch scale. If I want a 1/4 inch scale, I can't get the plan view on here because I just don't have enough room. Now either I can just make another tile block and put it over here, but say I want to get everything into the same drawing, well, I'm going to have to go to like a 1/4 inch scale. So how would I do that? The way I would do that would be, I'm going to copy my original tile block. And again, there's a lot of ways you can do this, so this is just one way and it's an easy way to show. So I'm just going to grab my little tile block here. I'm going to go way back over here. Okay, I'm going to scale this one again. I'll scale this one for the first time. Select that. Zoom in so you can see it. I'm just going to pick that line. There's just one line there, but I'm doing the video, so I'm being extra careful here. All right, so here I'm just going to type in 48, and that's 12 divided by 0.25, which is 48. So there's my scale. Now, since this is a 1/4 inch scale, now I can just say copy. I can just select everything here. Come up here and stick this into the drawing. I have a lot of space left over. And again, I keep copying my little tile blocks. I'm just going to get rid of that. So that's the way you create a different scale in paper space, or in model space to print. So when I go to print, I could just go File and Print and just select Window, select this, or Window, select that. And when the printer prints it, it'll be at the correct scale. Again, thank you for watching the video.